While we make our Cajun seasoning, which is pretty much onion powder, paprika, oregano, garlic powder, salt, cayenne pepper, red pepper, black pepper. Or you can just buy Cajun seasoning at the store. Save yourself some time, you know? Anyways, we're gonna use half of the seasoning on our shrimp, and the other half we're gonna save for our rice, which we're gonna wash because there could be all different types of debris and insect poop in there. Once you have your rice, your seasoning, your shrimp, we're gonna throw some butter into a pan on medium heat and simply cook our shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side or until it's opaque all the way through. Once we're finished with that, we're gonna saute some garlic and butter. Once our garlic is a little bit brown, we're gonna add in our seasoning and our rice and a little bit of chicken broth, which is crazy to me because I always make my rice with water, but this sounds like a good idea. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or maybe even longer if you want crispy rice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Throw your shrimp on top, a little bit of parsley. Just a simple, easy, quick recipe. And it's actually really healthy too. Just ignore all the butter that we use.
Chicken tenders, but 10 times better. If you want the recipes for the Texas toast and the cane sauce, they're already up on my page. But for the chicken, you want to marinate it in buttermilk, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. For at least 1 to 2 hours, overnight is preferred. Now in a separate bowl, you want to add 1.5 cups of flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and paprika, and 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. We're going to take our chicken from our marinade and dip it into our flour, dip it into our buttermilk mixture, and then into our flour again. Let them rest on a rack for 10 minutes. Fry on medium heat for about 6 to 10 minutes or until fully cooked, and you're ready to enjoy. I obviously served it with my cane sauce, the homemade Texas toast.
Start with that chicken thigh, pat it dry. Get them all in a bowl. Season them all with Tabasco, cayenne, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix it up until it looks just like that. 2 cups of flour, cayenne, paprika, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Mix it up. That's the flour mix. 2 eggs, buttermilk. Want to mix that up. Pour that over the chicken. Mix up the chicken, get it in there, and let it sit. Then coat the chicken very well in the flour. Spicy mayonnaise, paprika, cayenne, Tabasco. Simple. Mix. Oil in. Check that it's hot enough. Has to be hot enough. You want to hear that noise. Chicken thigh, 5 to 6 minutes each side, golden brown, and then flip. After that, take it out just like that. Toasted brioche bun, spicy mayonnaise both sides, pickles, that chicken, top it. Yes.
Cheese Japanese-style multi-layered omelet. In a bowl, combine a few eggs with soy sauce, mirin, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Place a tomogoyaki pan on medium heat. Spray the pan with olive oil, then add the egg mixture and wait until it cooks a bit. Add a string cheese stick to the top of it, then fold the egg over and place it back at the top. Add some more egg and wait till it cooks a bit, then place down a piece of bacon. Repeat this process a few more times. The size of the pan will determine how many layers you're gonna get. Cook the egg for an additional 30 seconds to a minute to seal the egg and then slice it into 4 pieces.
Never put you sour, never giving credit where it's due, cause he don't like pussy and power. Venom.
T'as la flemme de cuisiner, t'as pas beaucoup de trucs dans le frigo, y a pas de souci, ce wrap il est fait pour toi. C'est l'un des meilleurs wraps au monde, et oui j'affirme ça. Tellement simple à faire, il te faut juste une tortilla de blé, tout simplement un petit peu de sauce au chèvre, un petit peu de pesto rosso ou un autre pesto, de la mozzarella. Par-dessus tu rajoutes pas une, pas deux, mais 3 tranches de jambon de Parme, tu rajoutes de la roquette, tu me fermes ça tel un burrito, cette fois-ci moi j'ai réussi. Tu me mets ça à toaster dans une poêle avec un petit peu de beurre ou d'huile, et si tu risques pas, je te mords.